Cat and Moss coming back at you with a new pickup. Today's release, Air Jordan 13. He got game HGG. I was able to get 2 pair through the raffle. I already sped up the process. Took 1 pair out the box. Go ahead and let you see the box. Of course, it's like the original box, the silver with the paper, red Jumpman, silver all the way around. I was able to get 2 pair through raffles. Now, pretty sure some of y'all can relate. I'm gonna let this sit on the shoes while I say this. Some of y'all can relate. So Thursday, I just happened to be on Foot Locker's website and something popped up. It was under the wheat 13s, like the all tan 13s. I just happened to click on there, and the He Got Game 13s was already released on there. So I added to cart, size 12, checked out, order confirmed, order number, everything. Like 5 minutes later, they were gone. They took them off the site. So I called Foot Locker. And talked to them. They said it was a mishap on their part. They're canceling all the orders. So I didn't receive a cancellation order. They also gave me a $10 gift card for the hassle. So I didn't receive a cancellation order, but then I received an email saying, we messed up. If you order, call back tomorrow, which was Friday. Replace your order, you have a guaranteed pair. So I got lucky, got another pair online, and I got $10 off on it. So that was a mishap on their part. Good for me, good for everybody else they got through. I thought it was kind of weird that they popped up 2 or 3 days before they actually released and add to cart and didn't sell out. But anyway, going ahead, first-hand look at these He Got Game 13. The first thing I can say, these babies are beautiful. I love these. That black white with that red sole always goes good. I mean, 13s, you can't complain about 13s except how they crease. As far as quality, this is pretty good. Way better than any other of the Jordans that I've been copying and having slight issues with. Always come with the plastic on the air bubble with the tooth 3. I mean, I don't see any glue stains. Usually there's glue stains where the suede is. I don't see any. I see a little spot right there, but that's nothing major. Like I said, good quality. I mean, it looks flawless pretty much. The way they appear when you pull them out the box, the babies are fly. I mean, maybe that's why He Got Game. Who knows? But I can't complain about them. I love the way they look. Don't see too many flaws on them. Ice white, no crease and a little tumble. That's just for the typical look how they always have been. That tumbled leather, or however you say it, whatever you call it. But yeah, again, first-hand look. Today's release. Jordan 13, He Got Games, HGG 13X111 13. I'll be back later with a comparison video. I also have the 2013 He Got Games that released. I'll do a video on those. And just in time, one of my customers brought me a pair of 2008s He Got Games to restore. So I'll go ahead and compare those two, show the difference between the 3. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace.